Yeah, a few days ago, I tried to demonstrate that you can generate some current from trees. Now I've brought a multimeter, and this multimeter, which is Moringa in my house, you can see the two, poles, connected to the Moringa tree, and I'm going to show you the reading. The reading as we have now is 158. Indeed, and in fact, it was about 167. But the sun is going down, and then when the sun goes down, the current in it starts to reduce. So you can see it clean and clear. You can see it clean and clear. Look at it connected there. And then this is DC. This is DC. DC means direct current. It's just like a battery, like your car battery, motor battery, or even the battery in your, your torchlight, or even your phone. So it's measuring 158. It's measuring 158. As I said from the beginning, when I came, it was about 160. And because the sun is going down, when it's if it were in the afternoon, we could have gotten about 180. So these trees really and truly generate some current. It is even going up now to 157. And then this is Son of Man giving you this report right from his house. And here it is. These are the two poles that have been connected, the positive and the negative. And then this is the multimeter. And this is to show you clean and clear that actually trees generate some amount of current. It is for us to study this situation and then try to harness this current and then use it. Of course, the time is, let's see, what time do we have now? We have 6:15, and when it's 6:15, the sun is going down, and of course these things, they act like our solar cells. So when the sun is going down, there's no current, no electricity, you will not get much. So that is why there is some sort of reduction in the amount of current that is being produced. But here you can see it clean and clear coming out. Now, what is happening is that some people come and they want alternating current from a tree. A tree cannot get you alternating current. So they switch their meters to alternating and say that it doesn't generate current. That is very, very wrong. This is DC, and you can see it clean and clear. And then this is Son of Man who is reporting to you to buttress and to support the report that I gave you about 2 or 3 days ago. I was able to produce current and electricity, or make light a bulb out of it. I've always said that some people will study and they don't want to add to whatever they have studied. Others would like to add something to it. So this is the reading right now from this Moringa tree right here at Karayiri near Siriyiri on the Wadurmo Road, where Son of Man lives. So thank you so very much. And then so just add this to my previous sort of report about my coming to confirm that trees indeed generate some amount of current. And so that is it for you. And thanks a lot. I will be coming to give you even more information on this. God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye. So now I'm just removing the poles, the negative pole, the positive pole, and then of course it's rushing down to H0. It has rushed down to 0 because I've removed it. So you can see that indeed and in fact some amount of current was being produced. Now that I've removed the poles, it has come to 0.